Hello and welcome to Craft Pie. Today we're blending finance with coding by diving into portfolio optimization techniques using Python. We'll explore Markowitz Theory, CAPM, and multi-factor models and show you how to implement these concepts in Python. Whether you're a finance professional or a coding enthusiast, this guide will help you build more robust investment strategies. First up, let's tackle Markowitz Portfolio Theory, also known as Modern Portfolio Theory, MPT. This method is foundational for understanding how to maximize returns for a given level of risk. Using Python, we can efficiently calculate the efficient frontier. Here's how. We start by importing our libraries, NumPy for numerical operations and PyPortfolio OPT for portfolio optimization. Next, we'll load our stock data, calculate expected returns, and the covariance matrix. With these, we can optimize our portfolio to find the minimum volatility point on the efficient frontier. The result is a set of weights that tells us how much to invest in each asset. Moving on to the Capital Asset Pricing Model, or CAPM. CAPM introduces the concepts of market risk and the risk-free rate to evaluate an investment. In Python, we can calculate the beta of stocks against a market index, which is crucial for CAPM. We use stats models to run a regression between stock returns and market returns. With the beta, we can compute the expected return using the CAPM formula, taking into account the risk-free rate and the market's expected return. Lastly, let's explore multi-factor models. These models go beyond CAPM by considering various factors like size, value, and momentum, which might affect returns. Using libraries like stats models, we can create a multi-factor model by fitting a regression model that includes several market factors. This regression helps us understand the sensitivity of our portfolio to different factors and adjust our strategy accordingly. Today, we've seen how Python can be a powerful tool for portfolio optimization. From Markowitz's MPT to CAPM and multi-factor models, Python helps demystify complex financial concepts and implement them effectively. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials like this. Have any questions or want more detailed explanations? Drop a comment.